The conditions are right for health and vitality. The conditions are just right for a healthy immune system. The conditions are just right for a healthy circulatory system. You're at ease. Your vagus nerve is fully operational and functional, happy, healthy. Most of the time, you're able to rest and digest and recover. You're safe. Feels good. Yeah, that's what the birds are telling me. You can breathe. The conditions are just right to support life and health and vitality in your body. You're able to breathe a sigh of relief at the end of this day. You had a pleasant evening and you wake up feeling refreshed. It's going to be a great time tomorrow. It's going to be a great time right now because it is. I feel really good. Now that's influence.